Anandagandha opens, we have full of joy and ecstasy. So you are coming on physical body on us and feel like, I'm imitating you. What does that mean?
Nothing wrong. In the beginning it will start happening. The presence of the master is so strong. I have always seen. Everybody has started speaking my language. Everybody has started picking up my language. Everybody has started moving the hands and everything automatically. And so much has started happening. So in the beginning it will start happening. Don't bother. Let it happen.
Even your face, drinking, everything is something like, I'm imitating you.
So naturally it starts happening. If it starts happening, don't bother. Relax. And automatically when it is necessary, it will disappear. And imitating master is a sort of a wonderful way to enlightenment. Continuously you remember him. Actually, the master moves in the 0 TPS. So there is a special grace. It is not even a beauty, be very clear. Grace. It's a grace. Nothing is arranged. Everything is so spontaneous. It's such a grace. Automatically your heart gets attracted. You see, every one of you want to go to the 0 TPS. Every one of you have a deep yearning for the 0 TPS because the 0 TPS is bliss. So all your search is nothing but 0 TPS. So when a man acts from that 0 TPS, naturally you start imitating him. You start imitating him. Simply, without even your knowledge, you start imitating him. So naturally you fall into 0 TPS. There are guys who act from 100 TPS. All actors, I think 1000 TPS. So when you imitate them, where will you end up? You will end up only in the 1000 TPS. You will try to have same like a bike, same everything, all the things. And you will try to do the same thing. You will end up only in the 1000 TPS. When you imitate a guy who is acting from the 0 TPS, naturally you fall into the 0 TPS. Your hero decides your path and your goal and your end. Your hero decides your path, your goal and your end.
Swamiji, shall we say that scientists, great scientists, their TPS was low?
For that one moment, without their knowledge, they fell into the low TPS, again they are thrown out. They didn't stay there. That's what I call Satori.
Like Einstein,
One glimpse.
And they saw something.
Newton, one glimpse.
They saw something and they noted it down.
Noted it down. Not even, there is not even a 0 TPS. They fall only to 40 TPS level, that's all. 0 TPS, you will know the whole science of the universe. 0 TPS means you would have produced a master philosophy. You wouldn't have produced such an idiotic theory which can kill the whole humanity.
It's not complete, Swamiji.
And moreover, when he has reproduced the formula also, he would have reproduced the formula which will have only help the society, humanity. You see, Buddha reproduced the formula, Vipassana. It can never hurt anybody. It can never hurt anybody. But the Einstein's formula can hurt. The possibility of hurting itself shows the formula is not 100%. It's only the intellect, not intelligence.
Swamiji, when he invented, he didn't implement for a negative.
No. Even the possibility.
possibility of hurting.
Even that gate, if it is kept open, it's not complete intelligence. Buddha closed all the possible negative gates. You understand? Even the future possible negative gates will be locked by intelligence.
Now, when a great master was there, then why he can't prevent those negative things to be happen?
You see, one thing, preventing negative things are different. When you produce formula, that time itself is doing is different. Just see. Now, for example, the negative formula is created and the process is also done. Now the product is ready to be launched. Then stopping is very difficult because already it is ripe. It has become a fruit. You see, when it has become a fruit, it's naturally difficult. But in the seed, the small thorny bush can be destroyed. But can it be destroyed if it becomes a big tree? It can't be destroyed if it becomes a big tree. So these formulas also, if it is in a very seed level, the producing time itself it would have been destroyed. But when it becomes a seed and when it becomes a big tree, now so much of energy is necessary to destroy it. Come up with the question.
The formula was invented after Buddha's.
But Buddha was not physically alive that time.
As a enlightened master, he could have stopped whatever is going to happen in the future, like negative things.
You say, that time itself you could have stopped the Einstein's happening. But every individual has got a total freedom. You see, people ask me, Swamiji, why don't you change my mind and make you as disciple? And so many people, especially all these wives come and tell me, please Swamiji, do something to my husband and make him your disciple. I can't do that. I can't interfere in his freedom. You see, God gives you the freedom to be in bondage. Please be very clear. Even bondage is your choice. If the freedom also forced upon you, it is not a freedom, again bondage. You have a freedom to be in bondage or to be in freedom. So freedom or bondage is your choice. I can't interfere. Somebody asked Buddha, enlightenment is a great thing. Why don't you give enlightenment to everyone? He said, who wants? Bring them. Who wants? Nobody. So it is your choice. God never interferes in your freedom. He gives you the freedom to be in bondage. It's your choice.
Swami, that is the reason why disasters like tsunami and all cannot happen.
Yes. It's a corrective negativity. When it is become too much, earth nullifies itself.
Swamiji, this is really a universal theory of spirituality. Really.
Yes.
Not theory. Theory means it is the
Theory is not-
Theory is, you see,
Yeah.
theory is a word, dead word. Philosophy is a dead word. Philosia. Darshana. Darshana means what I have seen.
Exactly.
Philosophy means what I thought.
Intellect.
Philosophy is what I think. Darshana is what I have seen. So this is a darshana. We can call it Nitya Darshana.
Exactly.
Nitya Darshana.
And Darshana doesn't have English word from it.
No, Darshana don't have English word. Because in English no Darshani, no Rishi happened. No Rishi happened, nobody who had the Darshan happened. You see, in Tamil there is no word for tsunami because tsunami never happened in Tamil Nadu. Throughout the history, the tsunami never happened in Tamil Nadu. So there is no word for tsunami. They are using the same word tsunami. There is no word because it has never happened. So there is no word for darshan because darshan never happened in that area. All happened is philosophy. Philosophy. Only the intellectual theories, suppositions, not actual tatata. Darshana means tatata. Yes.
In theory, this sounds very simple, but in practice, I know that many people have resistance to lowering the TPS.
To lowering the TPS.
Yeah.
Then leave it the high TPS itself and enjoy, that's all. That's all, nothing more can be done. There is no need to bother. You see, in the practical and theory, it is simply simple. It is simply simple. The moment you say it is not simple, you try to make it complicated. One more TPS. That's all. One more TPS.
But materialistic world is high TPS. Really, Swami.
No, in the high TPS you are in materialistic world.
Ah.
When you are low TPS, same word but not materialistic. You are not materialistic. The same MG road is there. Kids hang around every day night, but none of us go there. It's not that we entered into a different world. Same world. Everything is same. But we are only not going. That's all.
Which is just witnessing or observing the thoughts that finishes the thought, that TPS brings down.
Yes, TPS simply falls down.
Swamiji, you said that while penetrating, if you are able to stay there for 11 kshanas, so but kshana itself is gap between the...
It means actually, to tell you honestly, by 11 kshana, when you start staying, the kshana concept will disappear. Just to give you an idea, our 11 kshana, 21 kshana means more time. That's all. Actually, when you come to zero TPS, there cannot be any kshana. How can there be gap between one thought and another thought? That's all.
In practical terms, Swamiji,
Mm.
staying there means remaining aware.
Relax.
Aware of the thought.
Yes, aware. When you become totally aware of thoughts, when you, all your energy becomes a witness, there will be no more thoughts. When you intensely witness, thoughts will not be there. Because where is the energy to think? You will be totally a witness.
What about greatest musicians?
The TPS falls down.
Swamiji, when you say you witness your thoughts, it's actually our mind which is looking at the thought itself.
Mm.
So that means
Witness the witness itself.
So the mind is still present.
But when you start witnessing, the mind will not be there. Whenever you forget witnessing, only the mind will start moving. It's like you play the double game, ma. When you start witnessing, you play the game of the mind and you. It's like you sit in a chair and sit in the chair and speak. Sit in this chair and speak. Like you take a subject and you sit in this chair and speak for the subject. You sit in that chair and speak against the subject. Tak, 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 tak. That is the game now you are doing. When you start witnessing, slowly you will stop moving to that chair. You will just become this chair. Naturally you will
But
see.
then who are you here as a witness?
That you don't bother.
That is still a different identity.
The witness is what is energy. You became nobody. You became Nitya. You just became Nitya. Witness intensely. Witness the witness.
Because sometimes during the NSP meditation, the intense sessions we were having, the experiences were fantastic. But at the same time, it was as though we were seeing it from the outside.
That is what.
But does that mean that my mind is still active and it's viewing that experience?
Your mind active and viewing is not your mind. Viewing is your being. Acting is your mind.
So that experience is being witnessed by my being.
Means you experience that you are witnessing. That is the real experience, ultimate experience.
So it's not as though you forget everything.
No.
Swamiji, why do
What
you
is called the Zen masters one hand clapping.
Yes, one hand clapping, frog jump in the pond, flop. Everything is this only. Basho Saiku and sound of the sound of a bamboo. Not bamboo, sound of a bamboo.
And cones are basically supposed to reduce your.
Cones are nothing but just breaking you and pushing you straight from 100 to 0.
This NSP breaks what you give us are similar to cones. What you ask us to make plays and say now you're going to play actors. Because
No, it's not more exactly like a cone. It's a different. You can call it Nitya cones. That's all.
but if the thought reduces.
Yes, thoughts come down. Nitya cones.
Even though you're supposed to think, you're supposed to increase, but it comes down.
Nitya cones.
Swamiji, when you think of your being, it comes from the Anandagandha. Is that where your
Yes.
Atman, is that the
Anandagandha is where you and me are straight away connected.